Good morning to all. Children, I am your GK teacher. Take out GK book, pencil, eraser. Children, every year we celebrate some special days to create awarenesses on important issues and problems in our society. Children, some pictures are given here with date, and in the help box names are written there of special days. This time I will tell you on which date we celebrate which special day. You listen answers and write in your GK book. Children, one help box is there. You write the name of special days from here with the correct spelling. Children, let's start picture number 1. Date is written here 15th January. Children, on 15th January we celebrate Army Day. You write here Army Day. Children, on this day we celebrate Army Day because on this day Indian Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa took command of the Indian Army from British General Francis Butcher in 1949. So, we celebrate of this day as a Army Day. Picture number 2. Date is written there 28th February. And you write here National Science Day. On 28th February, we celebrate National Science Day. Children, we celebrate National Science Day to spread the message of the importance of science in daily life. Picture number 3. Date is written here 8th March. Children, as we know, women are important person of our society as a mother, as a doctor, as a teacher, as a lawyer, as a social worker. They are playing important role in our society. So we should respect them and their work. To spread this message, each year we celebrate International Women's Day on 8th March. You write here International Women's Day. Picture number 4. Date is written there 7th April. Children, on 7th April we celebrate World Health Day. Children, as we know, health is wealth. Health is precious for each one. We should take care of our health. So, to spread this message, we celebrate each year on this day World Health Day. Picture number 5. Date is written there 5th June. You write here World Environment Day. Children, as we know, water, air, tree and plants are very important for our environment. We should take care of them. To spread this message, we celebrate each year World Environment Day on 5th June. Picture number 6. Date is written there 5th September. And you write here Teachers Day. Children, we celebrate on 5th September Teachers Day. We celebrate of this day as a Teachers Day. On this day we celebrate birthday of Radha Krishnan, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a good teacher and first Vice President of India. So, you write here Teachers Day. We celebrate his birthday as a Teachers Day. Picture number 7. 24th October. Children, on 24th October, we celebrate United Nations Day. You write here United Nations Day. Picture number 8, 14th November. Children, on 14th November, we celebrate Children's Day. Children, we celebrate each year on 14th November, Children's Day. On this day, we celebrate Pandit Nehru's birthday. Pandit Nehru's birthday we celebrate as a Children's Day because he loved to children very much. So we celebrate his birthday as a as a Children's Day. Picture number 9, 4th December. Children, you write here Navy Day. Each year on 4th December, we celebrate Navy Day. Children, this lesson is completed. Now, note down your homework. Children, one notebook I am showing to you in this video. Some question answers are written there in this notebook. You note down question answer in your GK notebook and learn the name of special days with date. Thank you.